Did you know that going to a chiropractor as your initial provider can actually save you money? So this study, published earlier in the year, concluded that patients with spine-related musculoskeletal pain who saw their chiropractor as their initial provider incurred substantially decreased healthcare services, but more importantly, healthcare costs. So as chiropractors, we provide non-surgical treatments that range from spinal manipulation, soft tissue therapy, and progressive exercises. The early use of these therapies seem to be associated with decreased utilization of immediate and long-term healthcare costs. As chiropractors, we should be screaming this message from the rooftop to really show our communities the value that we can provide.